Is AMC price going to over the next 24 hours? Well, we're going into a Friday. We do have some options contracts that are getting ready to expire, and there are a lot that are currently out of the money. They could move to in the money, and that creates an opportunity known as a gamma squeeze. It is on the table. We still haven't really been seeing that being executed. The short squeeze hasn't happened. The short interest rate is still very high. There's a couple key things that we just keep reiterating in these daily videos, but I do want to give you guys a daily update. I just want to start off by saying, as usual, that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research, and I highly encourage you guys to go do your own research as well. As we take a look at the charts here, we can actually see that for the course of the day, AMC went up pretty nicely. It went up 3.56%. This is after news that the debt ceiling limit for the United States government has been extended to the beginning part of December. That fits in line with the government shutdown delay that was also extended to a ruling that needs to be decided upon in December. So it's just kicking the can down the road, but hey, it's better than them defaulting, or the United States defaulting on their debt and us basically getting plunged into a recession immediately, right? So we got a little bit more time with this. It creates some opportunities where people can still go into the market and do things, but don't forget that the people that have their short positions, their debt still needs to be paid off, and every day they're bleeding money. It's hurting them. That percentage rate, right? It is affecting them every single day. For regular people, regular retail investors, probably like you, but also me. I am a supporter of AMC stock. We just have to hold. That's it. So take a look at the volume here. Volume just barely more than yesterday. Basically, the last 4 trading days, it's been the same. And at least today was closing out in the green, showing itself climbing up a little bit. Here in the after hours, it's slightly down. It's 38.06 over on the other app I'm looking at. So it's very close to what's showing here, but it is 38.06 in real time. And we see the RSI is starting to climb back up a little bit. But the relative strength, we have had so low volume recently that this really doesn't even play that much of a role, to be honest with you guys. But just looking at it from a standard perspective view, you got a little bit of a better idea there. We're still towards that lower level. We do still have support around $35.67, and it is trying to make that climb up. We have 3 trading days in a row, which are green, which is good. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. Moving on, we have the short interest rate. Check this out. It is at 21.01%. So once again, over 21%. Just absolutely harsh. It is harsh. But you know what? When it squeezes, man, the higher that short interest rate, the better. It's going to pop it even higher. So we got 300,000 shares available to borrow, 4.425 million ETF shares available. This number continues to go up in regards to the ETFs. We have 0.8% on borrowed shares, so that number is pretty consistent. It's been 0.8, 0.9 on the daily. And look at this. For the options data, we have 181,410 that are currently out of the money that could potentially move to in the money for tomorrow. If that moves on over, like I said, that could pop this thing very, very nicely. What's pretty interesting, and frankly not really that surprising, is that the last 3 days of trading, it's not showing for the dark pool how big that percentage is. We've been seeing it consistently here over 60% every single day. Why is it that we have 3 days in a row of no data? Something fishy really seems to be up. 3 days in a row, not 1, 2, we got 3 days in a row. There was one that was off here, but 3 in a row? Come on, guys. Really? Failures to deliver, everything's still pretty crazy going on with that. We got dark pool data, 25.591 million shares. Position at $1.2 billion. This number is still progressively moving up as well. Just recently, a couple days ago, we did pass above that $0 threshold, and that suggested that about a week or so after that, so we're looking going into next week, there's an opportunity for a big push up, because we did see that previously the last time we crossed over that $0 threshold. I believe that was back in May for the dark pool information. And then lastly, we have here a big weekend coming for AMC theaters. On Saturday, October 9th, AMC features the new fabulous James Bond movie. The second weekend of Venom, the Fury Wilder heavyweight boxing match live from Las Vegas, and the Metropolitan Opera live from New York City. That, my friends, is something for everyone. So it's going to be another big box office weekend for AMC. Very bullish news coming out. Last time we had this for last weekend, we opened up on a Monday, and what happened? Price of AMC went down. It just, again, the level of manipulation and things that's going on is absolutely absurd. So I'm going to keep you guys up to date with everything. That is the daily update for you on AMC stock. I do have referral links in the description if you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock. It is free money. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And if you guys are new, do not forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. It definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Feel free to click the bell icon so you know whenever we got a new video. Feel free to share the video if you want other people to know what's going on. And I will see you guys in the next episode.